2 sentences. One is from someone with Alzheimer's. Can you tell which one? 2 voice recordings. One is from someone with Parkinson's. Can you tell which one? The words you say and the way you say them change when your brain gets affected by disease. And these changes actually happen decades before clinical symptoms appear. If you're going to develop a brain disease later in life, the early signs might already be there. In your speech, right now, when you're as young as 30. A human can't detect this, but a machine can. I'm Emil, and with my co-founder Jack, we're Novoic. We are predicting brain disease from speech. With just a short voice recording, our proprietary technology can now detect early signs of dementia 2 decades before it's done today. Currently, there's no scalable way to pick up these early changes. This costs $230 billion a year in the US alone. And that's just Alzheimer's. In the 6 months we've known each other, we've already collected a speech data set from 4 major brain diseases, hundreds of times larger than anything that has ever existed before. We've done a proof of concept study, and our technology is ready. We're now setting up pilots with top US and EU medical research institutions to validate it clinically. Our first use case is identifying early-stage patients for clinical trials. Using our software platform, pharmaceutical companies can save 80% of their screening costs. That's $20 million for just 1 trial. We're currently in discussions with 4 top pharma companies and 7 of the biggest CROs globally. I'm an Oxford neuroscientist. I've led research at one of the world's leading auditory neuroscience groups, where I built a computational model of the human sensory system. Since I was a teenager, I've been obsessed with brain disease and language changes in the brain. I graduated top of my class in molecular medicine, where I led an independent research project on Alzheimer's. Doing his PhD at Cambridge, my co-founder and CTO, Jack Weston, developed the machine learning algorithms for a multi-billion-dollar neutrino experiment to differentiate between particles in large, noisy data sets. The same type of data that we are now analyzing for speech. Before that, he graduated from Oxford with a first in physics and a prize-winning thesis on string theory. We are being advised by Dr. Alexander Mosho, the Chief Strategy Officer of UCB and ex-CEO of Bayer UK, and Professor Peter Garrett, the leading Alzheimer's speech researcher in the UK. People speak all the time. And it's not something you have to extract from them with a syringe or a multi-million-dollar machine. Speech is a rich, untapped data asset that will be at the core of digital medicine. We are unlocking that asset. How many conversations have you had today? Jack and I are building a future where just one of those conversations could be life-changing. So come and have one with us.